Ready? Start. The president was happy to note that the use of technology in the judicial system has increased rapidly. Full stop. More than 18,000 courts have been computerized in the country. Full stop. Till January 2021, including the lockdown period, around 76 lakh cases were heard in virtual courts across the country. Full stop. He said that initiatives like National Judicial Data Grid, unique identification code and QR code are being appreciated globally. Full stop. With the help of e-courts, video conferencing, e-proceedings, e-filing and e-seva centers, it is easier for the judicial administration to dispense justice. Full stop. Another benefit of this technological intervention is that due to these initiatives, use the papers has decreased, which helps conserve the natural resources. Full stop. Para. The president said that the lower judiciary is core of the country's judicial system. Full stop. Our judicial academies are doing important job by training law students into learned judges. Full stop. He said that there is a need to increase the scope of training of judges as well as other judicial and quasi-judicial officers for speedy disposal of pending cases in our courts, especially in the direct courts. Full stop. Para. The president said that to provide speedy delivery of justice, it is essential that besides extensive judicial training, there is need to introduce the use of technology in our judicial processes. Full stop. Due to the increasing number of cases, it becomes necessary to understand the issues in correct perspective and take accurate decisions in a short time. Full stop. The introduction of new laws, extensive changes in the nature of litigation and the need to settle cases in a time-bound manner have also made it imperative for judges to have up-to-date knowledge of the law and procedures, he added. Full stop. Para. The president said that we, the people of India, have high expectations from the judiciary. Full stop. Society expects judges to be knowledgeable, prudent, affectionate, dignified and impartial. Full stop. Quality is given more importance than numbers in the judicial system. Full stop. And to meet these requirements, it is very important to keep updating the training procedures, knowledge, technology, and judicial skills. Full stop. Thus, even at the induction level and in service training, the role of the state judicial academies becomes very important in educating judges in a manner to measure up to expectations. Full stop. Para. The president was happy to note that the Supreme Court has made available translations of its decisions in 9 Indian languages, some high courts are also providing translations of their verdict in local languages. Full stop. He congratulated all those involved in this endeavor and urged high courts to provide certified translations of their decisions related to important aspects of public life in states' official languages simultaneously like the Supreme Court. Full stop. The president pointed out that the last report of every person is the judiciary, which is indicative of the trust people repose in the judicial system. Full stop. Para. The president said that the objective of the judicial system is not merely to resolve disputes, but also to uphold justice, and one way to uphold justice is to remove obstacles like delay in the delivery of justice. Full stop. Justice is not delayed only by lack of courts functioning or system.